Glory be to God Almighty. My name is Pastor ROTIMI ADEGBO, all the way from Omega Fire Ministry, Pamplona, Spain, home of abundance. On behalf of myself, my lovely family, and all the entire members of Omega Fire Ministry, Pamplona, Spain, and on behalf of all Omega children living in the territory of Spain, I'm hereby to wish my spiritual father a bigger happy birthday. Who am I talking about? The restoration apostle, Professor Johnson Suleman. Daddy, you are a blessing to our life. You are a blessing to this generation. God have used you to restore millions of destiny back to their original identity. Paraventure, over 30 years ago, you refused to act into the voice of God and to the call of God upon your life. How will our life be today? Daddy, we love you so much. I bring greeting and special celebration to you from the land of Spain. We love you so much. Happy birthday. Daddy, you 20 much. May God continue to keep you and protect you.